Before installing the max manifolds, it is required for the cylinder head to have 6 threaded holes. If your head does not have 6 holes, it is not a high performance head, and these RA manifolds will not bolt up properly. Start by disconnecting the battery cable. Remove the motor mount bolts and raise the motor about 4 inches to help with clearance. Remove the oil sending unit switch and then remove the oil filter housing with the oil filter still attached. On the driver's side, remove the starter and shield if it has one. Loosen the 3 bolts on each manifold connecting the downpipe to the manifold. We cut the downpipes close to the manifold to make the removal of the manifolds easier. Remove the rest of the exhaust system. Once the manifolds are removed, a good cleaning of the head surface is required. You can use a scraper, a razor knife, or a wizard wheel with a pad on it. The cleaner the head is, the better seal you will have. Now it's time to install your new max manifolds. Install the manifold to the head by using the 2 bolts at each end of the manifold. When you fit the gasket in between the head and the manifold, the gasket will sit exactly where it should. This will ensure you that the gasket lines up properly. Do not tighten any of the bolts before they have all been installed. Reinstall the starter. This is easiest with 2 people, but you could also use a muffler stand like Mike did in this video. Reinstall the oil filter adapter assembly, oil sending unit switch, and sending unit wire. Lower the engine and reinstall the motor mount bolts. Finally, reinstall the flywheel cover if you have one.